Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to day 10 of our Sculpt and Sweat Challenge, the last day. I'm super excited. Let's get right into it. First exercise for 30 seconds is we're gonna be doing cross knees. So like high knees, except you're going to cross it. All right, so crossing the body, really coming over to the side, so a nice twist. All right, but chin is up, chest is up, very good. Your entire body's engaged, even your arms. But you're really using your core muscles to bring your legs up, all right? So no slouching down to meet your legs. No, nice straight spine, very good. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and wiggle it out, very good. Next, we have some tricep kickbacks, all right? So we're going to bring our arms down and we're going to kick them back, all right, behind our torso, and then back down. Really feeling it here in those bat wings, those tricep muscles, all right? Kicking back, coming forward. Very good, nice straight back. All right, we like to do a little bend here, bend in the knees, a little hinge of the hips, all right, to help your mobility here. Breathing, very good. Really tightening those arm muscles. It looks like a simple movement, but if you're really going, pushing back as much as you can, you're going to feel it here. All right. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and release. Very good. Next, we have some oblique bends. So hands behind your head. All right, and elbow to the floor. All right, bending side to side, but making sure you have a nice straight spine, all right? So we're not bending over and we're not arching back here, all right? Boom, lock it in. All right, tuck in your tummy, tuck in your butt. Close that rib cage, very good. Breathing, so you feel a nice extension, stretch over here, and then a nice crunch over here. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, center, and release. Last, we are doing tricep pulses. All right, so level up from tricep kickbacks, except this time our hands stay behind us the whole time, and we're going to pulse up, pulse back. All right, so instead of coming forward and then kicking back, we're already in that kickback, and you're gonna pulse. All right, going even deeper. Very good. Breathing. Try to keep your hands together more instead of out here, all right? So make sure they're nice and close together, all right? Close together, very good. And 3, 2, 1, woo! Burn, baby, burn. I love those. And there we have it. Set 1 done. Moving right on to set 2, big breath. Starting with those cross knees. Tight tummy, breathe, let's go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, check your tummy, tuck it in, strong core, very good. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Tricep kickbacks. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and release. Hands behind your head, oblique bends. Let's go. Nice straight spine, very good. Elbow to the floor. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Center, release, tricep pulses. You got this. Back and pulse. Tight core. You got this. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, straight and release. And there we have it, 2, but not done yet. 1 more to go. Big breath. Starting with those cross knees, tight tummy, breathe. Let's go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Check your tummy. Tuck it in, strong core, very good. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, tricep kickbacks. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and release. Hands behind your head, oblique bends. Let's go. Nice straight spine, very good. Elbow to the floor. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Center, release, tricep pulses. You got this. Back and pulse. Tight core. You got this. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, straight and release. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Day 10, done and dusted. You have completed the challenge. I'm so proud of you. I hope you loved it as much as I did. Please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know which day was your favorite, what move was your favorite, so I can use it more in the future. And I hope to see you on the next one.